The moon where we both fell in love. My mind's awake, I feel so alive.
We're at Long Beach, California, baby.
Charot. Andito po kami sa Longcam Norte.
Dadaan tayo ng Afam Bridge 2.0.
Ito po yung Afam. Oh, I'm so red. Oh my God. So, sunog na ako.
Sarap na gagawin.
Malapit na umuwi ang mga feeling artista. Ang bulo ko talaga. This is the longest bridge. Longest boulevard. Longest boulevard in the Philippines. It's here in Camarines Norte.
These memories will stay with me.
So, what went down here in Camarines Norte? This is my first time. Him, on the other hand, he stayed here for 2 years, Papa? 3? He stayed here for 3 years. Bakit? Ewan ko, nagsoul-searching siya. Di pa niya kasi ako kilala, di pa niya kahanap. Anyways, this one kasi, nagko-connect siya ng Vinsons dahil Talisay, Mercedes, this boulevard. So, those are different towns. So, imagine kung gaano kahaba tong boulevard na to. What's my verdict? It's really a place that you would say a hidden gem. You don't know if you want it to stay hidden or you want, people to start going here because really they have something that I think magbuboost ng tourism nila. Here in Bagasbas Beach, you can learn how to surf. So, Bagasbas Beach, the place is called the surfing capital of Bicol. Okay, how much is it? It's 500 an hour with instructor already. So, kayo na lang magbigay sa instructor niya after because they're really nice people, very patient, tuturuan nila talaga kayo. Sa 500 pesos, nang kasama, you have the board. You're gonna start with the longboard if you're not a professional, syempre. And then, may kasama na siyang instructor. That's for 1 hour. Suggestion is at least mag 1 hour lang muna kayo for starters. Don't push yourself. Tsaka, as much as possible, punta kayo nang hindi kayo puyat. Kasi, ang hirap. Madidrain kayo, not just with the water, kasi, syempre, walk ka dyan sa waves, but also, nakakapagod, nakakahingal. Pero if you are physically fit, sisiw mo yan. Ganon. Pero, I'm talking to people, my people. Our people.
First timers.
Yeah, especially first timers. Common question is, kailangan ba marunong ako mag-swimming para makapag-surf? Actually, no. Papa, you're a video. Stop eating your nail. So, okay. Back. Common question is, kailangan ba marunong ako mag-swimming para makapag-surf? Actually, no. Because the water, though makikita nyo, we're gonna put short clips of how it went down here in Bagasbas Beach. Malayo talaga siya sa shore, pero it's only chest deep for beginners. You don't have to worry about falling. Paano pag nalunod? Hindi ka malulunod kasi sobrang nakakatayo ka. I am only 5'2", pero yung water kung sa kami nag-surf is only chest level. Second, paano pag mabato, masugatan ako? No, sobrang sand lang talaga yung sa ilalim.
Malalaki.
Walang bato, walang corals. Yan. Unlike, I'm not going to say na mas maganda dito or what, pero when we tried it in Siargao, doon nasugatan kasi ako. But it's all fun, you know, it's all good.
Go, babe! Love you. Enjoy ka?
I'm tired.
You're so tired.
So yun, masaya. What else went down here? Because as mentioned, he has, you know, friends here in Camarines Norte. We were fortunate enough to meet them kasi syempre it's the whole week. I know naman may mga kanya-kanyang plans, but they took their time to meet up with us. Sobrang thankful. Thank you. The hospitality, grabe. And pumunta kami ng Apuao. Island. Sobrang saya. The Apuao Island is known for the panike. So, ano yun? Pinagbabawalan i-hunt yan. They're really big. I think those are fruit bats. Malaki talaga siya. And then, first time ko nakakita ng beach na may nakatanim na pine trees. So,
Nasa Baguio pero nasa beach.
yes. So,
Yun yung vibe niya.
both worlds, parang ganun. So, I can't believe na pwede pala yun. So, it's really cool. And then, when we stayed in Apuao, we only did a day tour. Pero you can do overnights. You just have to pitch a tent. May kuryente ba doon? None. Okay? This is not for the people who is maarte. If you can't handle the heat, get out of the way. Charot! No, but kidding aside, it's something that I think you need to try once in your life. Pitch a tent. Sobrang daming nagbibenta ng tent ngayon. Camping chairs, buy one, take one, tables and everything. Is there a store in Apuao? Yes, there's a mini sari-sari store for your drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. If you are going to hire naman a travel agency, we are going to recommend the Good Traveler.
Yeah.
So we're going to include their Facebook page, so you can message them. Just look for Kevin, tell them we referred you to them. So sobrang alaga, wala akong masabi. And then next, the following day we went to Adelaida.
Farm resort.
Yeah, it's a farm resort. So may river yon. Hindi lang namin binaba kasi we're really tired the previous day. Timog. Yun na yung nag-overnight na kami. So, his friends invited us to stay there overnight. There's a beach party scheduled. The food is divine. There's a chef in the island.
Yeah.
You can also rent a tent. It's more like a glamping, but it's not air conditioned. It's like a teepee hut na fully kahoy. And then inflatable bed. In fairness, mabango yung beddings. We also did our snorkeling there. Sobrang ganda, guys. Ang layo na namin, mababaw pa rin. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako doon. Sumakit ng ulo ko. Pasalubong. Yes, madalas ang tanong, anong pwedeng pasalubong dyan? Alam nyo guys, na-try namin dito yung bulalo sa gata. It may sound weird, especially ang kilala ating bulalo is Tagaytay bulalo, the common bulalo. But I urge you to try bulalo sa gata in Anitas.
Ay, sarap.
Yes, Anitas is along Bagasbas Boulevard.